Welcome to Auto Treat. We care for your automobile. Kindly like our videos and subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of suggestions out there for cleaning murky, oxidized and dirty headline with toothpaste. Of course, it is quick, accessible and cheaper than a repair kit. You only need a toothbrush, spray bottle, toothpaste that features baking powder, if possible, and a cloth. I said a watching cloth, of course. Here are how to clean headline with toothpaste. First step, rub toothpaste into the headlight, cover with toothbrush. Keep rubbing until you feel and see the headlight getting cleaner. Spray warm water onto the headlight and wipe away the tooth. For a deeper clean, use a rotary buffer to apply the toothpaste. You should now have more translucent headlight covers. Thank you.